You ready? Today's lesson is commas, dashes, and dots. We sometimes use a comma, other than the normal use of commas, we sometimes use a comma to show emphasis. And we can show emphasis with the dash, and we can show emphasis with dots. And we don't actually call those dots, it's 3 of them, and we call them ellipses. And if you use them for emphasis, you're only to use 3 at a time, okay? Because sometimes we'll put, a lot. You can do what you want to, but if you want to be grammatically correct, then it's only 3. Let's look at the same sentence and how we use a comma, a dash, or ellipsis to show emphasis. You aren't going with me ever again. The comma is just a light emphasis, okay? You aren't going with me ever. It's a lot of emphasis, okay? And then with the 3 dots, you aren't going with me ever. Because the dots or ellipsis shows that you're trailing off, like your voice kind of trails off. And sometimes we use those in text messages, do we not? And also, ellipsis is used to highlight that something's being left out of the text. Like, for instance, you are memorizing the preamble, correct? So you could say, we the people, and then you say a lot of it, and then do ordain, and then you could use 3 dots to mean going on until the very end. So the reason I have this 4th dot here is because it's showing that is the end of the sentence. So the 3 are the ellipses, but the one at the end is a period. When you use the dots, and I say dots because most people don't say the word ellipsis, when you use that, you only use 3 to be grammatically correct, okay? If you put a whole sentence of them, you've lost the emphasis that you were trying to make because you have this huge grammar mistake. A comma shows light emphasis. A dash shows high emphasis, almost like an exclamation mark, okay?